In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your server files on Bisect Hosting. Alright, so keep in mind that when you do this, it is going to reset everything, including all your worlds, the player data, etc. So you really just want to be 100% sure that you actually want to do this. Anyways, what you want to do in order to get started is you want to go to the left menu and select on files right over here. Then go ahead and select on this top box icon over here, and then it's going to select all these different folders, then press on delete, and then go ahead and press on delete right over here. And now all your server files are going to be empty. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on home just like so. And now you just want to go ahead and restart your Minecraft server. And what that's going to do, it is going to go ahead and generate all those new files for you and basically make your server files brand new and fresh and stuff like that. So by the way, you do have a 24-hour period in order to recover your previous server files as well. So that's something to keep in mind. But remember guys, you only have 24 hours. So you really just need to be 1000% sure that you actually want to do this process, guys. But yeah, if we go ahead and just wait a little bit, and then this time we go ahead and select on files over here, you will now notice that all these new files will be generated and we will be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.